chat box. One concern you have about using AI in assessment is, in a one word, you have to share the answer for this. Once you logged in that participate, whether you got this question. Hello.
Hello, excuse me, sir. Can you please repeat it again?
Whether have you got this question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got the question, sir.
Okay. Can you respond that? Whether have you used that link? Have you opened? Yes. One person responded as a oh.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, we have actually missed the procedure. Can you just repeat the procedure again, sir?
Okay. I posted the link in the chat box. You just click on it and respond this question.
So we cannot edit the answer, sir.
Yes. You cannot edit.
Yeah, sir. We cannot able to edit the answer.
Excuse me, sir. It's not in link form, sir. Can you share it in link form, sir?
Once again, I I send the link.
Sir, again, it's not in link form, sir.
The two people responded. Whether you got the link, madam? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So other participant, please respond. Hello? Or otherwise you can raise your hands and answer the question.
Sir, I already unmute all the participants, sir,
Okay.
so they can talk. The dear participants, kindly interact.
It is a totally interactive and hands-on training. Okay.
I request all the participants to interact. So I already unmute. I unmute all.
Okay. It's working, selector.
What things for reducing time management. So creativity is one thing. Another one, time management.
Sir, it's working, sir.
Intelligence. Okay. And then yes, sir. Lakshmi Priya madam.
Bias, sir.
Bias. And then so out of 44 people, 5 answered. I don't know why. What is OO? I thought typographic error. Shall I move
So
for
some participants send the answer through Q&A session, sir. Some
Hmm.
participants send the answer in Q&A session, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So what are some common challenges faced when implementing formative assessments? Another one is which digital tools are best for a real-time formative assessments? Whether have you used any tools? You can please respond, please. ChatGPT, good. Other than that, and what are the some common challenges faced when implementing formative assessments? And whether the formative assessment is assessment for learning or assessment of learning. Can you please interact me? Please open up. So we have a two type of assessments. Yes, lack of transparency in assessment. Okay. Again, we have rush up the syllabus, time constraints. Okay. Not easy. It is through continuous assessment. Lot of effort. Okay, lack of concentration. Okay.
Sir,
Yes,
it, we can answer only one time, sir. It's not allowing another time,
yes,
sir.
yes. For a one participant, only one. Okay, right. So, Shashi Rekha ma'am, yes. Yes, madam. Okay, how to overcome this for lack of transparency and time constraints and not easy and lot of effort, lack of concentration. So, how to overcome it? So, we have to concentrate with the micro teaching to macro teaching and learning. So,
Okay.
our syllabus is a yes, ma'am. Yes.
Sir, repeat the question, sir. What are some common
some
challenges
challenges
faced with
faced when
implementing formative
assessments?
assessments? Lack of transparency in assessment, time constraints.
These are all the
Not
responses
easy,
of a
it is through
participant.
continuous assessment,
Mm.
lot of effort, lack of concentration.
Mm.
Not easy, it is through continuous assessment, sir.
Okay, continuous assessment means
Third option, sir, not easy, it is through continuous assessment.
these are all the things responded by the faculties.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. For the
Okay.
first question, what are some common challenges? They are providing that there is a lack of transparency in assessment.
Assessment time.
Another one responded as a time constraint. Another one not easy, it is continuous assessment. And another one is a lot of effort. Another one is a lack of concentration. How to overcome this?
Actually, if we are having the time constraint, we have to plan accordingly before we can go to the class. And we also know about the students' capacity that we can decide priorly, and we can also provide that type of assessment we can provide to the students. Then it will be easy to conduct all those um, pre-planning, sir.
Yes, very good. Right, ma'am. So it is a planning, that is a session plan. We have to use that session plan. From that session plan, you have to define the learning outcome. According to the learning outcome, that learning outcome depends on the level of the thinking of a student. So you should define that. According to that, we have to satisfy the SMART model, SMART. SMART is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So according to that, you have to define the learning outcome of the session. And the session, you have to plan how to conduct it. For that, what are the diversity of learners are there in our class setting? According to that, you have to provide a content delivery instructional design with the formative assessments. For
Yes, sir. So 2
Okay.
days before also, I have given to the students the 30 questions of multiple choice, sir.
Okay,
And that I need the answers, so each one can take one paper and write the answers.
okay,
Answers, I said, sir. They are all using the chat GPT, and that question they can paste in the chat Meta AI or some other chat GPT, and after that they are getting the answers. So that answers they can write it in the option A, option B. And that I am saying that you have to write the answers fully. No
Okay.
need to write that option A and option B.
Option
So
B.
this and all.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So they always need the smart work. They don't need they can also
Okay, for that,
yeah,
you have to provide the details of what the purpose of learning is.
yes, sir.
Through the learning outcome, each session you have to define and you have to deliver it before the recap or introduction part of the session. And what the session going on, what outline of that session, that would be provided before to the student. It would be a motivated and a transparent way of how the way going they must know. And definitely it would be a learner-centric approach. These are all the evidences of a learner-centric approach. And according to the formative assessment, how you took for all the topics we have uh, uh, in a unit, you have to fix a one formative assessment type for a which is appropriate to assess the learning of the students. According to if 80% of students are auditory learner or a kinesthetic learner, according to that we have to change the methodology, right, ma'am? Okay. Shall I go for next? It is visible now, right? So introducing AI in learning management system, we are faculties, we already aware after Corona, what is AI? That is a machine learning. Is a screen is visible?
Yes,
Visible?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's a machine learning. If for example, this is the assistant of our teacher. It's a teaching assistant, teaching and learning assistant. So the machine should be learn what are the things we have to provide and how to do, how to respond. and for that the machine need a natural language processing and data analytics. And you can see here that AI capabilities, the personalization, automation, and predictive analytics. These things are the capabilities of AI. So according to the student's level, the question should be pop up during the examination, and the automation be for 1,000 students we have to prepare, or larger than that. We have to make repeatedly that task. So if you have provide a certain question bank in the LMS, and it pick up the distinct questions from that and the repository, and it provides to the student according to their answer. So this is a one way for the AI. And the LMS integration, how AI can be integrated into existing LMS platform, we will see now. And the AI-driven formative assessment strategies are personalized quizzes, automated feedback, and content recommendation. So during if we are teaching video learners, for them we have to provide the video before the class, and in between the video the pop-up, the question will be pop-up. So for that we have a link, that is Edpuzzle. You can Google it, Edpuzzle, EDPUZZLE, Edpuzzle. And there we have to provide the questions in between that. The question type may be true or false, multiple choice, and multiple response. And according to that, the video will be played afterwards. If the question is in between that, the question will be pop up. Once the answer is correct, the video will be next moving on. Otherwise, they can rewind the video and answer the question. And the benefits of AI enhanced formative assessments. So increase the engagement and improving learning, and enhance personalization of both a teacher as well as a learner. So the student engagement is increases by 30% with the personalized learning. So it would be in the LMS, means it is a 24 hours available. So according to the learning plan of the learner, they can learn in anywhere. And now the practical examples of AI in action. Can you please take a session topic and define the learning outcome? First, you should choose the session topic and define the learning outcome for a particular 10 minutes session. So did you know Malthus Knowles? Did you know Malthus Knowles? Who is he? Did you know the word of andragogy? Hello. Okay. So andragogy is a learning theory, teaching learning theory. It is by that Knowles. So it is for adult learners. So they are having a 10 minutes concentration with a lecture during the lecture, and we have to grab the fellows by asking the questions or any activities, and then again we have to go for the session. Like the way you have to split up the session, and it would be effective and it would be a active learning session. So in between that, we have to provide the formative assessments also. Shall we plan this now?
Yes, sir.
I stop sharing again. I'm going to share instead of that, may I ask anybody can share your browser? I will use now the Dave's taxonomy of learning. Open the browser. So can you raise your hands? Who is ready for that? Karthikeyan sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
So, dear participant, kindly raise your hands and share your browser. Anybody willing to share it now? Kindly share. Sir, shall we share that? Shall we share my browser, sir?
yes, yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Right. So
Is it
now,
visible, sir?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Is it visible? Visible. Now, you just type chat GPT. Okay, sir. Open it. Yes. Now log in. There, sir. Mm. Okay, right, sir. Now, you have to select a topic, sir. For the 10 minutes content delivery in your subject. Karthik, sir.
Sir, can you also share a topic, sir?
Hello.
Sir, can you suggest a topic, sir?
You have to assume you will take any of the topic in your subject. Now you can see here the cell biology basics for beginners. What is cells? And scrolling down, cell structure and functions, and difference between plant and animals, and cell division, and cellular process, and why is a cell biology important. Okay, you just provide the prompt that what you provided there. Madam, what you provided there? Simply a topic, correct? So now you have to give the topic with the duration 10 minutes. You can see define.
Sir,
Uh,
can you repeat it, sir?
yes, define.
Excuse me, sir, can you repeat it, sir?
Yes, you just type define learning outcomes, 2 learning outcomes, define 2 learning outcomes. You just type 2 learning outcomes for the topic within the double quotes. Put the cell biology. Up to the
Can you come in, sir?
within the double quotes, you have to put cell biology, and then you have to type up to the Bloom's level. Bloom's level. Within the code, you have to take understand. Within the code, you have to take understand.
Sorry, sir, can you come again, sir?
Within the code, within the double quote, you just put understand or apply. And full stop. It should be satisfied. And then you have to write, it should be satisfied the smart model. It should be satisfy. It should be satisfy the smart model. You just type a smart as a uppercase letters, SMARTR, uppercase. Satisfies. With a smart model, smart is uppercase. Yes. Now you can enter. So now it provides within 2 weeks, apply the principle of cell biology and function by identifying and comparing different cell types through microscopic observation and preparing a lab report within 2 weeks. And for the learning outcome 2, scrolling down it. now we have apply knowledge of cellular processes by designing an experiment to test the effects of different environment conditions on the rate of photosynthesis in a plant cells and presenting the findings in a class discussion within 1 month. So this is according to the time bound they define the learning outcome, and now you have to go for the input. Scroll up.
It's done, sir.
And copy the prompt which you given. Copy the prompt which you given. Scroll up. Second கொடுத்தீங்களே yes. So copy it. Copy and then again paste here. Full stop. And the session content delivery is a 40 minutes duration. The duration 40 minutes ன்னு போடுங்க. Now you can press the enter key. So for the first 20 minutes learning outcome 1, for the next 20 minutes learning outcome 2, hands-on experiment and discussion on the OSAMIS. So you can see there the learning outcomes which is defined before, right? Apply the concept of cell transparent. Here the apply the knowledge of cell organelle by analyzing and classifying the functions of a key organelles in a plant and animals. So this is a 10 minutes content delivery is a learning outcome. So for that, you have to prepare the questions. How to prepare the question? So now you can provide the prompt, prepare. No ma, you just come. Don't copy that. Now prepare, you just type. Prepare the formative assessment.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Of the prepare the formative assessment for that one for the learning outcome 1. Prepare the formative assessment for the learning outcome 1. And full stop. And you just type quizzes type form quizzes type questions. And then duration. 10 minutes. So now you copy and paste the learning outcomes here. That one up from the apply to observation. No, not that, ma'am. Up to that animal cells within the bracket. Yes. Press the control Z. So now paste it in the after the learning outcome one. After the learning outcome one, assessment for the learning outcome one, within the bracket you have to paste it. Yes, ma'am. Now you can press enter. Regenerated. And two arrows இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா? So click on that arrows. There in that no ma'am, downல downல we have a copy symbol, thumbs up symbol, there in the last one. It is a switch model. Regenerate is a regenerate. Okay, press the escape button. Press the escape button. Again you copy and paste it. And press the enter key. So now you have the formative assessment. So we have to utilize AI as an assistant for us, and the final authority is us. What question should be asked? Okay, ma'am. Sir, is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
clear, sir.
Yes. Now you copy the prompt. Copy the prompt. Yes, copy it. And you can go for the next new tab. New tab. Okay, now you can put other AI. For example, DeepSeek.
Can you come again, sir?
DeepSeek. Click on the link. And the top right corner, the English is there. Yes, now press the start now. Log in with the Google. So now you can provide here the same prompt. Copy and paste it. And it would be coming here, and go further, press the new tab. And one minute, I will one minute, I will share this in the chat box, this link. So click on this link and now log in, or you can scroll down, ma'am. Scroll down. Here you have to paste for how to type the prompts. To respond effectively, that AI would be. So for that, you can utilize this and press the login button or a sign up with Google. So this is a dashboard. Again, you can go that tab, sir. In that tab, not that in the tab, previous tab. Now you can scroll down. Yes, scroll up. Sorry. There you have a dialog box like that. In the dialog box up here, you can go scroll up, sir. Scroll up. Here you have to provide what you typed there. Control plus V. And now generate it. Click the generate button. Now scroll down. This is the way of writing the prompt. So here you have create a formative assessment quiz consisting of 10 questions designed to evaluate students' understanding of learning outcome 1. Apply the principles of cell structure and function by identifying and comparing different cell types. The quiz should have a total of total duration of 10 minutes. The requirements, the question type include a mix of a multiple choice, true or false, short answer, and if you don't need the short answer, you can remove that short answer, and you can take this. So you can copy this and clicking on the copy button. Yes, and then go for the DeepSeek. So now you how they respond the previous prompt you can see, and now you have to provide the copy and paste that. Yes, and instead of a quiz, the formative assessment within the bracket, you have to put that it as a worksheet. create a formative assessment. Within the bracket, you can type yes, create a formative assessment. Now within the bracket, the quiz consisting, it's okay, sir. It's okay. And within the bracket, worksheet type. Uh, uh, yes. Right, sir. So now you have to press the enter key. So for the learning outcome 1, the duration and total marks. With the answer key also provided. So this worksheet balances a foundational knowledge with the application while covering all requirements. So this one is the report of after conducting the formative assessment, whether the learning outcome achieved or not, and the type of question and which level we asked that question. So you can edit this question also. So just to copy this and paste in the Word.
Can you come again, sir?
Just to copy this by pressing on that before. No, ma'am. In the double rectangle இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, you can see. So click on that and go further. In the Word document, and you can paste it and format the question paper. Not here, ma'am. In the Word document, press the Control plus Z.
Sir, there was a signal issue. Can you
Okay.
come back again, sir?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
there was a signal issue.
Okay, you can come back again, ma'am. So, hello.
Yes, sir.
Other than that, anybody had tried it for your topic?
Sir?
Please raise your hands. Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, Lakshmi Priya, ma'am.
Participants, anyone, any doubts, please raise your hands. Dear participants, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hands. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. And press the
The dear participants, kindly unmute your mics and please interact. Already I enable you all to talk. Sir, so let's stop the screen now, sir.
yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Thanks, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you. So other than these AIs, what are the AIs did you know so far? Okay, I will tell that another one is a Claude, CLAUDE. Share the screen, 1 minute.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. I will. So now you can see my desktop, right? Okay. So another AI you can see here that Claude for a topic. I'll put that you are an question expert for the topic and providing that integral calculus. Topic order of integration in integral calculus. Provide two multiple choice quizzes or question with the Bloom's level understand and two multiple response up to the Bloom's level apply and one short answer type question up to the analyze level. Also create this with the students demographic. Create this in a LaTeX code and also ask the demographic details of the student such as a register number and a subject name. So if you providing like this, this is another you can see here that the questions and the respective LaTeX code.
Sir, could you please mention the name of this tool, sir?
This is the Claude.ai.
Plot.ai. Okay, sir.
So like the Chat GPT or DeepSeek is one of the tools. So now copy this. Can you please tell me whether the text file I open now, whether it is displayed there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I copy and paste that code here, and then sharing is in the assessment. So here that alpha. And edit this. So some use package will be mentioned there. I took that. So you can see here that in that subdivision that would be in the A, B, C, D.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
May I know why you're using the text shop, sir?
This is a problematic subject. That's why I took the source file instead of Word document, this one.
Okay, sir.
So you can use the Word document out for the running matters or letters are there in your subject. You can use that Word document also. So just to copy and paste that and then format it. Otherwise, you can ask I will take this.
Sasirika ma'am, you can talk, ma'am.
I will take this. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Sasirika, ma'am, you can talk now.
Yes, sir. So I have one doubt, sir. How we can create the OMR sheet like this, sir?
You can provide the prompt like that, ma'am.
So the prompt we are using
Prompt
and
is,
where it should be
is
pasted in that,
not
we can use it the Cloud AI, and the Cloud AI, we can get the prompts, sir. So after that, the prompt we will put it in the Julius AI. That prompt we can copy and put it in the Julius AI. The Julius AI is create the OMR sheet, no, sir.
you can do like that also, ma'am. And that prompt would be what, ma'am? Bubble sheet, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
The keyword for the prompt is for the OMR sheet, bubble sheet you have to.
Yes, we can get the coding, no, sir. That
Yes.
coding, that we can put it in the Julius AI. So the Julius AI, it's create one OMR sheet, or otherwise that also we can change it to
Yes,
using
whether
the
have you done now? Can you share it now?
graph. I think graph and that sheet and all they create, sir. If it is possible, I can do it, sir.
Yes, ma'am. It is possible for Chat GPT or DeepSeek or Claude or Quen.
Actually, Cloud AI, I can get it the prompt and the coding everything, sir. That coding I can paste in the Julius AI, and that code they can create their own graphic charts and also like that. Research documents it should
Or
be
the research
very
document.
useful, sir.
Yes. So you can use this, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Mhm.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. One more for the coding purpose, you can use this Quen chat. If suppose I have to provide 4 options. For the topic. Intro session. title and demographic details.
சார் ரெடிங்க.
Is it clear?
நாலு பேர் தான் திரும்பிச்சேன், முடிச்சிட்டேன், எவ்வளவு முடிச்சிட்டேன், அது வந்துட்டேன். ஆனா ஒரு 2 செகண்ட் ஆனா நீங்க தெரியும், நான் 2 பேர் இருந்தேன், அவ்வளவு முடிஞ்சிச்சு. ஓகே, நன்றி சார்.
Hello.
நீங்க சார்ஜர் நீங்க பார்த்து கரெக்டான கருத்து இருக்கீங்க, டக்கு டக்கு இருக்கு.
Is it clear, ma'am? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The way you can take for the assessment. And going further, for the assessment in specific tools. So this is for so far we have seen how to prepare the questions to assess the students in the formative or assessment for learning. And other tools are I will share in the chat box. So everybody please click on that quizzes and log in with the Google, and then you have a display like this window. So here I created this cell biology recently viewed for the 11th grade. So we can duplicate the previous questions which created by other faculties, or you can click on the create button and you can see here that assessment, lesson, comprehension, interactive video and flashcard. So I have to click this assessment. So import worksheet questions. From that you can create a questions or generate with AI from the documents or create from scratch. You can provide the questions. So shall I take this? So here I have to upload or the PDF document, or I have to provide the prompt or from the website link. So if suppose I will in the one more AI we have. Perplexity. You can generate the research questions from this AI. I will take this link, for example, and 5 questions. Generate quiz. Unable to mention the link. There seems to be a problem with the link, so I will go for the text. Create quiz for learning through a and provide 5 questions so it provides some suggestions plus analyze AI assessment tools, evaluate learning outcome, design AI driven quizzes, integrate technology in learning. So now you can generate it. For example, I took this concept. So you can take a topic PDF, the content PDF, and upload it. And then from that one, you can extract the questions also. So you can see here that the questions with the answers. What are the key features to analyze an AI assessment tool? How can learning outcome be effectively evaluated using AI? And what elements should be included when designing AI-driven quizzes? In what ways can technology be integrated into traditional learning environment? So with the answer key, it will be here. So now how to take this question? So you can hear the published quiz. Once you finalize that questions, you can publish it. And you can see here, you can download that it as a worksheet, or you can copy the link and press the start now button. Or assign to the Microsoft Teams or Google Classroom. So this is a formative assessment. So the redemption questions is a parameter, and you can take the shuffle questions and show leaderboard and press the start button. It will be started like this. It is a gamification. So once you press the start button, and you can take the quiz through mobile phone. And also you can embed this in your Google sites. So this is a waiting for one participant. Shall I post in the chat this link? Yes. So for the NAC committee or a NBA committee, these are the evidences of active learning strategies we implemented in the classroom to promote learning. What steps we took? Any two people please join? Shall I press that start button? It will be there like this. And you can perform the questions. The leaderboard will be showed here. Shall we close this window now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can use this as a result, and we can download the report also. So another one more tool we have. Nearpod. Shall I close it? This?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Shatwik sir. Yeah, where is it? Shatwik. So this is for the motivation to the learner. And you can email all parents and show time taken also. So assign that it as a practice. And going further, that next one, nearpod.com. So you can log in here. So for the time management quizzes, you can take time to clip type. So here you have to click on this plus create button. And here the upload lesson, create a lesson from scratch, explore the Nearpod library. So clicking on that for a topic, cell biology. So some faculties are done. So this is what the lesson. And for the quizzes, Pressing the time to climb is a type of quiz, is a gamified one. So here you can provide not only the true or false question. So you can click that add question and you can add the multiple response. And you can add that image also. And preview that. Having some network issue. So I put that a save and exit, an exit lesson. And so once you've done it, you can press the teach button and press here that self-phased, that is a live participation is during the class timing. A student phased, it would be a take-home assignment. So you can copy this link and you can provide it through the classroom. Once faculty started that quiz, it will be open on the time. So I logged in as a student. That's why it the time for a quick check. Wait for your teacher ready set. Like this way, it will be displayed. I thought that one is not a open source, and the participate is a open source. And this task is over, right? Session topic, defining learning outcome and formative assessment plan. Educate AI for the session topic by providing our data, and then we have to create a questions through the suitable prompt. And addressing challenges and ethical considerations, we are the one to ensure this, the data privacy and algorithmic bias and transparency. So make the use of AI tools, whether which is GDPR and the FERPA compliances consideration. One is a European Union, another one is a US based regulation for challenges and ethical consideration. So for processing the student data. And going further, this is the LMS compatible AI assessment tools. So direct integration or a LTA support. So what is LTA support? The plugin. You can embed the particular quiz type formative assessment in your website. So you can see here the different type of quizzes. You are already familiar with the Turnitin, right? Turnitin is known for plagiarism checks and writing feedback. Whether it is a AI used case study or not, we can check it through that. And powered by AI, Turnitin, powered by the Turnitin, they are facilitating this grade scope. You can see the grade scope, best for automated grading and rubric based assessments. And I already said Edpuzzle is for video quizzes. So in between the video, you can play the quizzes. And going further, that Kahoot, as like in the quizzes, we performed now. And you have Alex. It is a McGraw-Hill tool. So provides adaptive math and science assignments. And you have the next thing is a peer grade and feedback loops. So these are all the AI assessment tools we can use for the direct integration in the learning management system. And step-by-step implementation guide. The advice for that is what LMS you are using. First you assess it and then select the appropriate AI tool for it. And then you check for the pilot testing and then you have to implement in your classroom. And the future trends in AI and formative assessments on the AI grading short answers and predictive analytics for the people who are struggling, further how to motivate through the formative assessments and the virtual tools providing the personal support. And going further, the transforming education with AI. The AI offers powerful tools to enhance a formative assessment and AI-driven solution to improve learning outcomes at your institution level. And AI can personalize learning, improve engagement, and drive student success. This is what I have prepared. Is there any doubt you can ask me so far?
Participants, if you have any doubt, the board is open for your questions. Can we wind up, sir?
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your informative presentation, sir. So, dear participants, if you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you can post question in the chat box. Thank you, sir. So it's my privilege to address the vote of thanks for this wonderful session. First of all, I would like to thank our founder and chancellor, Sri A.C. Shanmugam, sir, and our honorable president, engineer A.C.S. Arun Kumar, sir, for giving this golden opportunity to conduct the 5-day FDP on LMS. It gives an immense pleasure to thank our vice chancellor, Professor Dr. S. Geeta Lakshmi ma'am, registrar, Professor Dr. C.V. Palanivel, sir, for their wonderful support for this event. I express my heartfelt thanks to our director, Academic Staff College, Malini Pandey ma'am, for his support and guidance. We would like to thank our beloved Dean, Academic Staff College, Dr. Gomadi ma'am, for their continuous support and encouragement to make this event more memorable one. I would like to express my gratitude towards Dr. Radhakrishnan sir for accepting our invitation and spending her valuable time and knowledge with us. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Last
you.
but not least, my special thanks to the organizing committee, technical team, and all the participants for their wonderful support and making this event a grand success. Once again, I thank one and all. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Shall I leave? Is there any questions?
Dear participants, the feedback link is posted in the chat box for your reference. You may leave, Janta.
Sir, can you share the feedback to me also, sir?
Sir?
Can you share the feedback link to
Yes,
me
sir. Definitely, I will share, sir.
for viewing the feedback?
Yes. Can you repeat?
For view the participant feedback, sir, can I share or collaborate
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can share. Share, sir.
feedback?
Chat box is disabled, sir. Hello.
Check now, ma'am. Kindly check now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So before you ask the work from the AI, first you should educate the AI how to respond it. The machine should learn it, and then it will generate the respective response.
Thank you, sir. It was really a very wonderful session, sir. Dear participants, the feedback link is working. You can fill the feedback forms.
Sir, some
Some
questions from
questions from water participant side.
whether
Whether we have the free tools.
Sir, you have shared few tools, no, sir? They were asking whether it's free.
These are the free tools.
It's not a free tool, sir. Some other Participy, that is a free tool, open source. It is not a free tool. That Nearpod quizzes or we have to subscribe it. Other than that, for Moodle, you can try H5P.
Sir, can you just share in the chat box, sir?
Yes, yes. I'll share that one. 1 minute.